Hi, my YouTube family. This is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. Please welcome to Home Garden and Fashion. First of all, I would like to thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and please do go to my Facebook fan page if you haven't been there already, and please do give me a like there. Today's video, I would like to talk about how if you buy a shirt, a dress shirt or a t-shirt, and then you have a very long neck and you're kind of uh, do not want to wear too long neck, too revealing neck, so how to shorten it. So there's two ways to go about it. The first way you can do is, if it doesn't have so much design in the front that it will mess up the design, then you can just give small pleats like this, so it doesn't mess up the design. And you can see how little you want to do, so like that you give small pleats. Now if it's have some kind of design and you see if you give pleats it might kind of mess up the design, so then you can go from here, you can shorten from here. So this blouse I am shortening for someone, so I'm going to do from here, and I will see that if that person likes it from here, like when that person tries it out and then it feels and looks the way that person wants, then I wouldn't shorten over here. But if I see that it really doesn't look good from here, then I'll go about doing from here. So there's two ways you can shorten a neck. Most of the time if I see a very pretty blouse, I find the only problem happens with it, the neck is too big, and then I do not like to wear too much revealing neck, so then I have to go about two ways. So here you can just eyeball it, see how much you want to give, and if you doing it for yourselves, you do a couple of times and wear it and see. And if you do it for someone else, you do it and let them wear, and you see where the neck is, how long they want and how short they want. So like this is very simple stitch. So you go one time all the way over here, and then you do a second time. You can do third, fourth time too, after you be sure that the person likes your work, so that whatever is the desired length, it achieved the desired length. So now sometimes you might see that some of the fabrics are too much stretchable, and on those fabrics, even if you do from the hand, from the shoulder, you will see that you might need to do it again from the neck. So in those cases you have to do it from the neck again. So there, I'm done with one side. Now I'm going to do the other one, same thing. So you just eyeball and see. Initially go with a little folding, and then as you try out you can make it big. So like this. Okay, so I did twice. I might do one more time. This is very thin chiffon, so but don't use your machine for this kind of little jobs, because this is something that you might have to open again, and in a very thin fabric, chiffon fabric, once you run the machine, it's like a death sentence. You cannot take it out because chiffon is so net, so thin. Taking out the stitches is like, you know, ruining your fabric. So you see now where we stand. You see the neck is little better now. So I'm going to see if the person likes this, and then according to the measurement, then I might adjust. Now if I have to do second time, I wouldn't do too much over here clutter, you know. If the person likes, then you go like this and stitch one more time, okay? Or you can flatten it like this and stitch one more time if the person likes it. If doesn't and it's still big, then your second option is do like this, very little pleats, and make the distance also equal. Make it as if it was designed like this, so it doesn't look like you have done something. So start from here, so like this, start from here, and like this you give 4 pleats, about 4 pleats, depending on how much needed to be taken in. So that's all. This is how you can shorten a neck. If you have problem with the neck becomes very large. Usually most of these shirts, I find the neck is quite large. So that's how you can keep pleats and fold it up here and make the neck small. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and I will see you with another video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day.